Hi everyone, this is Veena Karki as an artist and educator having 23 years to teaching and pursuing my own artistic endeavor. I extend my heartfelt thanks to DOMS for granting me the privilege to witness and judge the exceptional young talent of India. The DOMS Art League competition offers an invaluable platform for such uncarved, talented young budding artists to showcase their limitless potential and ability. I eagerly await the opportunity to witness the rise of visionary talent that will undoubtedly propel us to new heights. Thank you. Looking forward to you all.